Harley bagger handlebars. You want full custom or do you want a nice clean install? Hey, KST Customs has both. In today's What's the Difference? When you're building a bagger, you typically have two types of builders. You want those who want the full custom experience, and you want those who just kind of want to install it, be done, and have it done right. KST Customs is one of the few brands that nails both, from their Pathfinder bars to their pre-wired Patriot bars. They've got all the things you would come to expect from KST Customs, but they couldn't be more different, so let's break it down. Let's start with the Pathfinder. These bars, obviously, are all about customization. They're a 1.5-inch bar with a clean 3-piece design, smoothed out transitions, and they're built from the ground up to run your wiring internally. They come in multiple rise options, 10, 12, and 14 inches, and you can grab them in polished stainless or high gloss black. So if you like dialing in your riding position and really want that true custom bar look, the Pathfinder is going to be the right way to go. The Patriot bar, totally different approach. I mean, not only does it have the same strong KST style in a one-piece, but these come pre-wired. Throttle-by-wire already run, plug-ins, ready to go. It's the fastest install, least headache, and a solid choice for riders who want the bagger style without doing all the surgery. Patriot bars typically come in 12 and 14-inch rises, and again, they come in either the polished or black finish. Pathfinder does give you more height variations, where the Patriot keeps it pretty simple. Both Pathfinder and Patriot bars fit a wide range of Harley touring models, road glides, road kings, street glides, and they're compatible with internal wiring and throttle-by-wire setups. All right, when talking price, the Pathfinder is going to come in around the low 400s, while the Patriot, interesting enough, is going to come in around the mid 300s, 350 if you will, and it comes pre-wired, so you're kind of paying more so for the style than you're paying for the convenience. And the best part, Kirk has both these bars in stock, all the heights, all of the finishes. You can use our handlebar finder if you need a little extra help to dial it in just right. But if you're looking for something that's going to be completely customizable to make it your way, go Pathfinder. If you're looking for something that's super simple to install, ready to go, and it's still going to look great, go with the Patriot bar. But either way, you can't go wrong, and you can get both at DennisKirk.com.